Fala rapaziada, Jabiroco com vocês. Então, eu fiz uma partida ontem de Overhaul muito boa e queria trazer aqui pro YouTube. Foi num corte de uma live de ontem na Twitch, rapaziada. Quem quiser segue lá, vou deixar o link na descrição. E sem muita enrolação, já bora pra partida. Valeu. Tá, eu acho que esse foi melhor do que o primeiro. Ah, que eu nem let's go!
Alright, let's purge the infected. Alright.
Pump up the vibes!
Level up. Level up.
The safe area, bro!
Know your limits.
Oh shit.
There's no escape. I will end you. Stop struggling.
Heyo! The safe area changes in 30 seconds!
Know your limits.
Hero and hustle!
I'll destroy you. Know your limits. There's no escape. Not you won't touch me. I'll destroy you. You're all sick. What a nuisance. Just This is it.
You better fight like your lives depend on it!
In good health now.
The safe area has changed! I'll hit you up when it's gonna move again.
No problem. I'll create a path. So nice.
It's what you've all been waiting for! And Iron Box appeared!
Get lost. I will not hold. This is bad. I'll destroy you! I'll create a path! There's no escape!
30 seconds till the safe area moves! You'll get swallowed up if you're not careful!
Know your limits! It's over! Filthy. Level up. Gross. Filthy. Just try it. I'll create a path! All right. Level up. There's no escape! What the hell? Get off! Filthy! You're all sick.
It ain't working.
Take your last breath.
The hell?
Know your limits. I'll bury you. Damn it! I'll destroy you! Idiot! Know your... Let my guard down. Ow!
New safe area established! If you're not in it, what are you doing?
About time. Get lost! I will not hold back. no escape! Not gonna work. Here I come!
Pay attention if you want to stay alive!
Know your limits! What a nuisance. You're nothing but trash!
There's an item!
There's no escape!
Quickly, get snapped up!
Get! No. Ow! Stop struggling! Take your last breath.
Look out!
I'll create a path! I will not hold back. You'll die in vain. Just try it. I'll create a path. What a nuisance. Let's take your last breath. Know your limit.
Saw that coming.
All right.
Not many left on the field! We're edging closer to a head-to-head showdown!
You have nowhere to run.
The safe area has moved! This report brought to you by Present Might!
Get lost. I'll create a path. Here I come. What a nuisance. You'll die in vain.
You've got 30 seconds before the safe area moves! Better check on your allies!
All set.
This is bad.
I'll destroy you! Filthy! Die! You have nowhere. What a nuisance.
Nossa, vacilei demais ali naquela hora.
Much better.
Pediu, rapaziada, no
Alright.
chat.
Take your last breath. Know your limits. You're all sick. Get lost.
It's what you've all been waiting for! A
time.
minor box appeared! And that's the new safe area! I'll warn you when it's gonna move again.
In good health now. You'll die in vain. There's no escape. Filthy. That all you got?
You've got 30 seconds before the safe area moves! Better check on your allies!
Take your last breath. I'll create a path. Stop struggling. What's this? Ow! You are in here. You'll die in vain. What a nuisance. What the? I'll destroy you! I'll create a path! Filthy. Die! Take your last breath. What a nuisance. You're late. Don't bother struggling. Yeah! I'll create a path!
And then there were two! Pull out all the stops and make this a battle to remember! Yeah!
You have nowhere to run! Lost!
What was that?
I come. I'll create a path.
Give me a break.
Get off! Let's go.
What a surprise. Give
This
me a break.
area has
Give me
limits.
a
This report
break.
brought to you by Present Might.
Not strong enough.
Game set!
Vou olhar o chat rapidinho aqui, rapaziada.
All eyes on our winner. Incredible performance.
Então, rapaziada, esse foi o vídeo. Obrigado a todos que assistiram. Então, já vai deixando o gostei, rapaziada. E, então, foi isso. E valeu.